The McGraw-Page library offers students private and quiet study rooms. They are located on the second floor. To book a room, go to the library website. From the Services drop-down list, select Library Spaces. Press this button to check availability and to book a room. On the calendar, you can scroll through dates and times for each study room. The small green boxes mean the room is available. Each box stands for a 15-minute time block. Clicking on one, you see the boxes turn yellow, meaning you are about to book the room for 1 hour. You may select the room for up to 4 hours per day. Double-check the times you are about to reserve. When you are ready, press Submit Times. Read the study room reservation policy carefully, then press Continue. Put in your first and last name, your email, and select how many students are in your group. Then click Submit My Booking. And there you have it. For your convenience, you may also book a room using your phone. Download a QR reader to your phone if you don't have one already, and scan the QR code posted on the door of any study room. Then start the booking process. Thank you for watching this tutorial.